Hello, this is David Benaim from Excel Consulting. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create slicer-dependent box and whisker charts in Excel. And along the way, I'm going to show you a ton of secret features only existing in slicers that I bet you didn't know about. All right, so this is a box and whisker chart, and these are other statistical charts in Excel, and these are actually responding to slicers. Here's a trick for you. If you have a numerical or other slicer, did you know you could do this? And get it to show up like that. Drag and release. All right, so let's get going. Here we have our raw data. The first thing you want to do is make this into a table. If you go to Format as Table on the Home tab, you can actually do this, which is pretty cool. You can right-click on one of these options and choose Apply and Clear Formatting. Press OK, and then it actually gets rid of those colors that you have. So it saves you a step of clearing the formatting first. All right, so now we can create our box and whisker chart. So I'm going to do one of this column, Control click, and sales, that column. So singer by sales at event. And I go to Insert. This is available only in Excel 2016 or more recent. Box and whisker there. And this is, you can actually do it from disjointed data sets. And you also can apply it to slices, as we'll see in a second as well. So as we're doing this with a dashboard, let's create a few more charts. So I'm also going to do this one, sponsor and spectators at event. And all of these are aggregation charts, so they already aggregate the data for you, much like a pivot table does. A Pareto I quite like as well, so that shows you the total and the percent of total they yields as well. And it's pre-aggregated Facebook, Apple, etc. I actually have a longer video on Pareto charts that I'll put a link to as well. And let's do a histogram. So that's generally just a numerical column. Insert histogram here. And now we have our three charts based on this data. So now what we're going to do is we're going to create some slices. And if you go to the Insert tab, you can choose slices. This only works if you have a table and you do that Format as Table step, but I highly recommend you do that anyway. So let's add some slices for city. Let's do Facebook likes. Let's do gender, satisfaction, extras, get a bunch of them there. And now we're going to select all our objects, File, Find and Select Objects. That didn't work. Or here in Control A works as well. So then we're going to cut those, paste them into another sheet. Now we have a completely separate sheet there for our data. And all of these are responsive to the slices. So if I click on Bangkok, that is filtering all of the data to only show me Bangkok, Phnom Penh, whatever it might be. Like that. So then you just got to kind of rearrange it however you wish, and it should work okay. Where's my box and whisker gone? There it goes. So let me get some more room. Arrange this down here and put these on the sides like that. I'll make it that nice and clean, but you'll be able to see that it does work. There you go. A couple of hidden tricks with slices. So what you can do is this one, you can click on it, click on Slicer Tools and have multiple columns. You can't make it auto-calculate the correct columns for you, but yeah, that's pretty good. And they are all responsive to each other as well. And you can see the grayed out ones that don't have the data that you want. Obviously don't get specific, so clear slices as you go along. But that's basically the gist of it. All right, great. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, and thanks for watching.